is side lying clamshells. So to set up for this exercise, we're gonna lay down on our side like a fetal position, right? So I'm gonna lay down here. I'm gonna take my underarm and support it underneath my head, right? Knees are bent at about 90 degrees, okay? And I'm keeping my hips stacked on top of each other like building blocks, okay? That's very important. Now from here, my top arm is gonna go right in front of my belly button, tightening my core. And I'm gonna lift my outside knee up towards that ceiling as high as I can, and then controlling right back down. So notice as I lift, right, I'm not rolling my hips back, I'm keeping them stacked and then controlling right back down, okay? So lifting up and control right back down. This is a really great exercise to do as a rehab, right, to help strengthen our hips and our glutes. Also as a good warm-up if we want to make sure, which we always should want to make sure, that our hips and glutes are activated before we go into our squats for that day. So this is your side lying clamshell.